یہ ہے اقرا خالد، آپ کینیڈا میں رکن اسمبلی ہیں۔ آپ پاکستانی کنیڈین شہری ہیں۔ پاکستان کے یوم آزادی پر آپ نے کینیڈا میں بسنے والے پاکستانی اور پاکستان کی عوام کو یوم آزادی کی مبارکباد دیں۔ یوم آزادی مبارک ہو پاکستان۔ دیکھیں اس ویڈیو میں۔ یہ ہے ریڈیو جیوے پاکستان ڈیجیٹل۔
Hello, Mississauga Erin Mills. This is Iqra Khalid, your Member of Parliament, and I would like to take the time today to wish all of our Pakistani Canadians here in Mississauga Erin Mills and across our country a very happy Pakistan Independence Day. Do you know that Canada and Pakistan share a growing friendship? We're home to hundreds of thousands of Canadians of Pakistani heritage, and today we celebrate that heritage. This year we recognize the resilience of Pakistan and of Pakistani Canadians and our contributions not just to the growth of Pakistan and Canada, but overall resilience in human rights. And I want to take this moment to congratulate all of our Pakistani Canadians for their contributions to building a strong Canada, to continuing to contribute to building a strong Pakistan. And I know that Canada will always be there as a friend and a partner in that resilience and in that partnership. So to all of us celebrating Pakistan Independence Day today, wishing you all the very best. Pakistan Zindabad.